Hey there, digital explorers, ready for a cosmic journey? Today, I'll show you how to transport your AVATUS avatar to otherworldly places without leaving your chair. Let's dive into the background replacement feature. First off, spot that plus button, give it a click. Click on the little icon that flips the camera. You see that icon that looks like a stacked pile? Click it, and boom, you're on Mars. Drag your avatar around, give it a twirl, maybe even resize it. Domes on Mars, not your vibe today. Swipe right and transport yourself through over 25 futuristic backgrounds. From control rooms to stylish lounges, pick your scene. Loving your masterpiece? Tap that hexagon button, and you're set to launch your creation into the vast expanse of the AVATUS newsfeed. Share your adventures and watch the likes come in faster than light. That's it, star travelers. In just a few taps, you've transcended time and space. Ready for more? Stick with me and we'll unravel the mysteries of AVATUS together.